Hi, this is John and Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun. Today we get to be kids in a candy shop. We are here at Kohl's Gourmet Popcorn and Treats. Let's check it out. We are in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We are on our way to Estes Park, where we're going to be going to Rocky Mountain National Park. But we took this stop here today because we get a special treat. We are at this gourmet popcorn candy store, Kohl's, right behind me. And I think we're going to get to do a lot of sampling and even maybe make some chocolate. So let's see what it's all about.
Hey, you've got to tell them the backstory. What in the world are we doing
The
here?
backstory? Okay, so we were at the Haygoods. We were doing a video on the Haygoods in Branson, Missouri. In fact, you can check out that video when you're done with this one. And a few seats over in the same row, we met Cindy Cole, and she came up to us and said, "We watch your videos, and we live in Colorado Springs." And we said, "We're on our way to Colorado Springs here shortly." And she said, "Would you come and do a video at our candy store?" And we said, "Of course. What is better than a candy store?" So here we are.
Here we are. Let's get into that candy store. It's
And we brought
time.
the kids because
Kids
it's
like
a candy store.
Yeah. Hey, Eva's being a camera person. Ella's being a camera person right there. Jet, you're not being a camera person.
He's here for the candy.
He's here for the candy. Let's go.
Wow, how fun is this?
Look at this. This is cool.
It smells so good in here. All right. Yes.
Here.
So this is Cindy Cole, and we met her at the Haygoods in Branson, Missouri. Why don't you tell a little bit about how that happened?
Well, it's really fun because we've been following you and friends with you. And so when we went to the Haygood and we saw you at the end of the aisle, Tom goes, "Look, there they are. I'm so excited." And so I went over and I said, "Hi, how are you?" And then you said, "Hey, we're coming to the Springs." We said, "We'd love to have you come to our Kohl's Chocolates and Popcorn so we can celebrate and let you see all of our fun stuff."
All
Yes,
right.
And here we are, and we said a candy store.
It's like, heck yeah.
Of
Now,
course
if you
we'll
would have
come.
said it, if you would have said
were
an,
like,
an auto repair
or an
shop,
office supply store,
office
maybe
supply.
it wouldn't have been as exciting. But popcorn and chocolate, we're all for that.
That's right.
And not just popcorn, but like 65 different flavors of popcorn that you get to sample, you know?
Yeah.
And chocolate that you get to taste and you get to see the popcorn.
Wow.
Look at Ella's face back there. She's like,
She's like, "Oh my goodness! What have I just stepped into?"
This is Corey.
Hi.
So you run Kohl's popcorn, gourmet popcorn and treats, right?
Yes,
So-
it's so much fun. So I kind of help with the daily operations, helping mom and dad's dream come alive. So it's a blast every day making popcorn and chocolates.
And this is Tom Cole.
I'm the dad.
Yep.
This is kind of my dream. I spent in the corporate world, spent a lot of my years saying I'm going to retire and open a popcorn store, and so here it is.
And I didn't say it earlier, but we are on North Academy Boulevard. We're kind of right across from the Chapel Hills Mall, correct?
Yep.
So, and you can see it. There's a big old sign out front. And so if you're looking for chocolate, you'll see a big sign that says chocolate. So, yes.
All right, so you guys are gonna give us a tour, huh?
Yeah. So this is kind of what we call our popcorn bar.
Okay.
We'll range between 65 to 85 flavors, just depending upon the season and what we're doing. So down here, visually, you can kind of see all of the different popcorns. This last couple weeks, we've made some new really fun ones. So we did queso blanco, honey barbecue, honey butter, and a smoky chipotle.
Oh.
So we're constantly trying to make new flavors. So our customers love coming here. They kind of stand at the popcorn bar. We give them samples. They visually see it all. And then our packing team's back there packing the popcorn up. So it's interactive and fun versus just give me that bag, give me that bag.
Right.
So people start sampling and having fun.
So this is our kitchen. This was a big part of when we got into this business. We made the decision to invest pretty highly in our kitchen, and because as I traveled around the country making a decision of what I wanted my popcorn store to look like, I was in a lot of different stores, looked at a lot of different concepts, but what was important to me was that the popcorn we made here would be first class and that it had a lot of flavor on it. So many flavored popcorns just have a little bit of flavor. A lot of places actually spray flavor onto popcorn versus actually cook the flavor onto it like we do here. And so we use a specific seed. It's called a mushroom seed. And the mushroom seed, we use it because it makes a nice big kernel, which allows us to get a lot of coating onto it.
All right, so actually, the Coles own another business, which I love this business, Coldpromo. And so they do t-shirts and promotional items, and they grew this out of their basement, and now they're servicing churches in the area. And so they're showing us kind of the layout of the land here and machines that I am absolutely craving to get one of my own so I can print cool things. And it's just, I'm like, it's amazing. So I had to get this on video too, so we're sneaking this into the popcorn video. So if you need promo items, t-shirts and things like that, this is your spot.
So the first part is the embroidery that we do in-house. We got 5 heads. We're able to do it all independent, kind of run different logos, different times.
Representing Coldpromo. So Amy, we are back at
the candy store.
So it's time to make some chocolate. You're gonna make some chocolate?
And sample some popcorn.
Yeah, I'm ready.
So, yes.
We're gonna make a gift basket for you.
TPF chocolate.
Oh, check this out, Amy. How cool is
that
this?
Says thank you, Trips, Places, and Fun. From Cole's Gourmet Popcorn and Treats. Have a fun day, the Cole family. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. How
Love it.
special.
You're welcome. Yeah, wanted you to have your chocolate.
Oh,
TP.
yes.
What do you eat first? The T, the P, the F, the exclamation point?
We're all about fun, right?
Yeah,
You are,
that's
and we are too.
amazing.
Love it. All right, so they just let us know that we each get to pick out our favorite flavor, and they're making us a gift basket to go. So there's stickers. So this one right here is what I love, puppy chow. And so everybody's getting something. So they're pulling their stickers right now. So we're making baskets?
We're gonna make a gift basket.
And there it is.
It's so pretty.
Looking pretty.
Yes. How blessed are we? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's awesome.
You're welcome.
How you doing today?
What a great time we had today at Cole's Gourmet Popcorn and Treats. Wow! We got to try so many amazing things. All the incredible popcorn samples. Like, I'm full already. I don't need lunch because we had so much popcorn. 70 flavors, so you could come back every week and just try another flavor. And then of course we got to make the chocolate letters. That was super fun. Oh, and the gift basket is so incredible. We definitely recommend that you come here because you're gonna find so many unique things, so many wonderful things and delicious things. Thanks again to the Coles for having us. What a wonderful day. Thanks for following along and safe travels, everyone.